Lots of new things in the chart and whiteboard builder, including the whiteboard. So if I go to this tool, I've got an org chart, approvals, and brainstorm. If I click on new chart, the main difference between these is that an org chart has employee photos to add to it. So if I go here to the org chart, you can see you can add a bunch of shapes just like every other tool. You can get rid of them, but you've got the ability to add your employee photos. So you can upload these here and upload them in the manage employees, I should say, and then you've got them already here with your users, and you can click on them and bring them right in here to the chart. You can move these around to create an org chart, and you've got lots of other options here. Your connect lines on off. If you don't want to be connecting lines, you'd leave that off. Your arrow type lines, that's the arrow type lines here. But if you want them on and you're actively designing, you would turn those on. Mode between draft and final is the same on all, where on final, the X's go away so that when everyone else is viewing it, when you're ready to make it public, you don't have to look at that. You can add text boxes now here. And so if I say like title here is like, let's say here, double click, company org chart, and you can drag that around and move it. And again, that X will go away. You can change your colors. So if you wanted to draw something, again, turn draw on, and you could, draw circles here, especially if you're trying to do like a brainstorming type activity. You can change the line thickness. You can erase if you would have had the line here, although I just cleared it. So then turn eraser off. You can undo redo with Control C, Control V, Control, to copy paste. You've got your grid and snap if you want things to go in order here and stay nice and aligned. You've got your line or your dash. You can do a PNG download, which is really nice. So it's going to take an exact picture of your screen here. As opposed to like an Excel export. Your tags, if you want to tag people and then they'll get the notification. And this is where you can save your notes. Notifications would be up here. If I go over here to charts, you can see I've got a number of them here. And then if I go back into charts, again, this is where you can do brainstorming. You can insert photos if you want and save the chart. Public versus private is really handy. If you only want to share this with certain people for a particular time until you're ready, you can do that here. If you'd like a demo on how this could work for your specific business or you've got feedback, let us know at team@executethevision.com.